Yo. Yeah, I finished that joint, yo. Yeah, man. It's hot too, yo. I emailed it to you, you know what I mean? Check your email. Alright? Alright, holla. What is it?
Hands behind my back, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped, you see this game got me duct taped. Hands behind my back, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped. It's what I need, not interstate shit. I hop on interstate, dunking Hines in my grind. Nigga getting plenty cake for 145 in Amsterdam. Back to West Point, everything gon' dead. You in need, come and get some. 85% my big A's, I set them straight. Razors out, baggies too, time to feel the blade. Where my scale at? Trust me, I can tell that. With the eye, if you see how I see, fuck the clock, cop and slide. I got it, you get high, man. Trying to get my meal up. Everything that's concealed and revealed didn't kill ya. If you don't look familiar, trying to snatch my play. You see this game got me duct taped, hands behind my back, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped, you see this game got me duct taped, hands behind my back, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped, I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped.
Never thought I'd get snatched up, fucking with them words. I flex hard, nigga, every now and every verb. My rap skills superb, damn right you heard. Kick a nigga to the curb though, y'all niggas really slow-mo, but I'm fast forward, I'm ready to go. Zoom, zoom, little boots a hoe. Damn right, I'ma beat the trial. Look at the judge and fucking smile. I did the crime in front of a crowd. Broad day and the two was live. And I was on that matrix swag, cause I was blowing on it loud. So what I'm saying, I'm a track eater, beat it up like a meat cleaver. Can't that nigga defeat us, we ride around with them heat seekers. Hip hop, it got me homes, and I ain't never coming home. Y'all push me hard at Amazon, that done deal, you got
You
wrong.
see this game got me duct tape, hands behind my back. I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped. I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped. I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped. You see this game got me duct tape, hands behind my back. I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped.
Big bags of purple, I'm geeked up like Urkel. Been smoking so long, shorty say my lips look purple. If you out past your curfew, if you out past your curfew, then you might get a glimpse of exactly what the work do. Fiends in a circle, they running back like Herschel. I said running back like Herschel. My haze is super purple, my flows is the future. That's why they want me gone. Cause when I perform, it look like the lights is on. I never knew it come to this. Guns out to cover my wrist. This rap shit that comes with risks. But y'all niggas been fucked up. Yo, little leprechaun locks up. My niggas know where I'm at. Best believe that they coming strapped. The lights go out, the whole room will
You
black.
see this game got me duct tape, hands behind my back. I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped. I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped. I ain't never coming home. This game got me kidnapped.
What you think?
I think that shit crack, man.
I think that shit is crazy, man.
Yeah, man. You already know, that's that fire, baby.
Stay kid, man. Joint.
You know what I mean?